In a move that sent shockwaves across Wall Street and Silicon Valley alike, Elon Musk, the enigmatic CEO of Tesla and SpaceX, has purchased an eye-watering $1 billion in Tesla stock, just weeks before unlocking the largest executive compensation deal in corporate history. A staggering $1 trillion pay package. Yes, you read that correctly. Trillion with a T. While most CEOs cash out when the chips are up, Musk, ever the iconoclast, has once again flipped the script, doubling down on his own empire in a way that would make even the boldest hedge fund managers blush. The purchase heard round the world. According to filings with the SEC, Musk acquired approximately 2.7 million shares of Tesla stock at market value, injecting $1 billion of personal capital into the automaker he co-founded. The purchase, which was executed over the span of 3 days, came just as Tesla's share price rebounded from a volatile Q3 marked by regulatory headwinds, AI safety debates, and a surprising slowdown in EV adoption in Europe. But for Musk, timing is everything. The billionaire's confidence appears rooted in an upcoming board vote tied to performance milestones that could unlock his much-debated compensation package, a $1 trillion payout, contingent on Tesla reaching an astronomical market cap and achieving AI autonomy across its vehicle fleet and Optimus robot line. While critics decry the package as a grotesque overreach of executive greed, Musk's supporters hail it as a calculated masterstroke, a bet on the future that only someone like Musk could dream up, let alone have the audacity to pull off. The origins of the trillion-dollar package. Tesla's board first floated the trillion-dollar compensation structure in late 2023 as part of a renegotiated long-term incentive plan that would replace Musk's previous $55 billion deal, which itself had drawn media attention and legal scrutiny. The new plan tied compensation to extremely ambitious benchmarks. Tesla must hit a market capitalization of $10 trillion, yes, higher than the current GDP of Germany. AI autonomy must be achieved and commercially deployed in Tesla's full self-driving, FSD, software. Tesla's Optimus robot line must be generating $100 billion in annual revenue. Tesla Energy must become a top 3 global utility provider by capacity. If and only if those goals are met by 2030, Musk will be eligible for tranches of stock options that could cumulatively be worth $1 trillion, depending on the stock price at the time. Wall Street wonders, genius or gamble? Financial analysts are split. This is either the most visionary executive compensation plan in history or a financial fever dream wrapped in a cult of personality, said Margaret Elgin, senior analyst at Evergreen Capital. Buying $1 billion in stock before a major pay package isn't just a show of confidence, it's also a form of signaling. Musk is telling investors, I'm all in. Indeed, Musk's move is a classic high-risk, high-reward maneuver. By increasing his stake, he aligns himself even more closely with Tesla's success. But it also exposes him more to market downturns, something that, historically, hasn't deterred him. If Tesla fails, Elon loses more than any CEO in history, said Leo Chang, professor of business strategy at Stanford. But if it succeeds, well, he becomes the world's first trillionaire and rewrites the rules of capitalism. The Muskian mindset. For those who have followed Musk's career, the purchase isn't out of character. This is the same man who once poured his last remaining capital into Tesla and SpaceX when both companies were teetering on the edge of bankruptcy in 2008. The same man who slept on factory floors and live-streamed rocket explosions. Musk operates on a principle of skin in the game, so extreme that even his fans occasionally wince. But there's another layer to this $1 billion bet: optics. After facing criticism for cashing out billions in Tesla stock in 2022 and 2023 to fund his controversial acquisition and subsequent reshaping of X, formerly Twitter, Musk has been dogged by accusations that he uses Tesla like a personal ATM. This latest purchase is the ultimate rebuttal. It's as if Musk is telling the world, I don't take from Tesla, I give. The boardroom tightrope. Tesla's board, for its part, has walked a delicate line, rewarding a CEO so heavily, even one as transformational as Musk carries legal and ethical baggage. This package is performance-based, yes, but it also raises questions of governance, said Sarah Kim, a corporate governance expert. Boards have a fiduciary duty to shareholders, not CEOs' ambitions. They must ensure that rewards are tied to value creation, not hero worship. Nevertheless, the board remains bullish. In a statement, Chair Robin Denholm praised Musk's visionary leadership, crediting him with expanding the boundaries of what's possible in transportation, robotics, and energy. We are aligning incentives for the long-term benefit of shareholders and humanity alike, Denholm added. The trillion-dollar future. As of today, Tesla's market cap sits at $6.7 trillion, making it the most valuable automaker in the world, and second only to Apple in the global rankings. Its Optimus robot factories are ramping up production in Nevada and Singapore, with early models already being leased to Amazon and Walmart for warehouse logistics. The latest version of Tesla's full self-driving software, V14.3, is undergoing regulatory review in Japan and Germany, with preliminary data suggesting a tenfold decrease in accidents compared to human drivers. If all goes to plan, and that's a big if, Musk could hit his performance targets by 2029, turning today's paper trillions into reality. But even if he doesn't, one thing is clear. Elon Musk isn't interested in slow plays. He's after legacy, moonshots, and Mars colonies. And whether you view him as a genius, a gambler, or a bit of both, he's once again placed a massive bet on himself. Closing thought. The billion-dollar buy wasn't just about shares or even compensation. It was a message. In a world of short-termism and quarterly thinking, Elon Musk is playing the long game, the trillion-dollar game. And the world, well, it's watching, stunned, skeptical, but undeniably captivated.